Hi everybody, now I would like to teach you about the adverbs such as still or yet. How to use these adverbs still or yet in order to join two events into one. Let us learn very clearly in this session. Here, still can be used as conjunctive adverb and yet can be used as conjunction while joining two events into one. Generally, we use the adverbs still or yet in negative sentences. Generally, we use still in front of the verb in a sentence and yet is used at the end of the sentence. We use yet at the end of the sentence as an adverb. We use still in front of the verb in a sentence as an adverb. For good and all, how to use still or yet in order to join two events into one, if you can take them as conjunctions, such as yet is called conjunction, still is called conjunctive adverb. Let us learn very clearly in this session. Still or yet. Here, still or yet means in spite of. This is the phrasal expression, phrasal preposition. This phrasal preposition can be used in order to express informal way of things. In spite of is equal to despite. Despite can be used to express formal way of things. What is the structure in order to join two events into one by using still or yet? First event plus still or yet plus second event. This is the structure that we have to follow while combining two events into one. Generally, we use still or yet in order to talk about a contrast between two things. In order to talk about a contrast between two things, we use still or yet. Now, let us take these two events and let us join these two events into one by using still or yet. Here, yet means but. They began late, comma, still they finished first. They began late, comma, still they finished first. They began late, but they finished first. In such a way, in order to join two sentences into one, we use still or yet as conjunctions. Still is called conjunctive adverb. Yet is called conjunction, coordinating conjunction. Yet. Now, let us take some more examples. If you take still or yet as adverbs, he still has not found that purse. He has not found that purse yet. Here, if you take still or yet as adverbs, still can be used in front of the verb in a sentence. Yet can be used at the end of the sentence. For good and all, still or yet can be used as adverbs. Okay. Now, let us take some more examples in order to join two events into one by using still or yet. He was rich. He was not happy. He was rich, comma, still he was not happy. He was rich, but he was not happy. I wrote to him, he did not reply. I wrote to him, comma, still he did not reply. I wrote to him, yet he did not reply. Okay, in such a way we can say number of examples. I invited her personally, she did not come. I invited her personally, yet she did not come. I invited her personally, comma, still she did not come. In such a way, you can join number of sentences into one by using still or yet. This is the main point that we have to remember while joining two events into one regarding English grammar. Regarding English grammar. Okay, I hope you have understood this session very well. In my next session, I shall come with some other new topic. Till then, thank you very much.